Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Let's just hop into our Sunday reset. Let's reset our homes, let's restock, and let's get ready for a new productive week. Sundays are usually my reset days. I like to start in the kitchen, I like to start downstairs and work my way upstairs. And as y'all can see, honey, it's been a long week. This fridge is such a mess. And to me, this is very messy because I let it get like this, and normally this is a no-no. But as a mom and an entrepreneur, I had to learn to start giving myself grace. I do a lot. I wear a lot of hats. So when I don't feel like doing something, I need to stop feeling so bad about needing to rest. So we started with this fridge, honey. I had to take everything out and begin to clean this fridge from top to bottom. If you've watched any of my older videos, you know that I'm into organizing my items, especially in my refrigerator. So this space definitely has to get cleaned. So before I can organize the items in the fridge, and even though I haven't even been to the grocery store today, I'm still taking everything out and I'm going to deep clean the fridge and then put everything back as neat and organized as possible. And one thing that I have learned is if you don't appreciate and take care of what you have now, how can you expect God to bless you with more? So no matter where you live, even though it's not your dream home, you still need to clean it and respect it like it is. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with the home edit, but they also had a short series on TV. But I am so into color coding whatever I can. So as y'all see in the door, I'm trying my hardest to have everything color coded. Now let's get into one of my absolute favorite Amazon buys. This adjustable over the sink drying rack. I have it listed on my Amazon storefront under kitchen essentials, but I'll put the link in the description as well. This next item needs no introduction. The moms who get it, get it. The girls who get it. The people who get it. And just because I love this mop so much, I'm going to list the link for this as well. And I know you guys seen the combo at the beginning, but if you are not mopping your floors with bleach, what are we doing here? And I know y'all like to tussle in the comments, but bleach is definitely an essential. I said what I said. Oh yeah, and we got coffee at home. So let me put y'all on to my little mini recipe for my coffee at home. I buy the cold brew and I warm it up. And I'm definitely giving y'all my secret sauce with this creamer. You don't need a lot and it's the best of both worlds. I don't have to add any sugar because this creamer is just enough. So go get that cold brew and your favorite creamer and you got coffee at home. And guess what else we got at home? Ginger shots, baby. And this was my first time actually making ginger shots because all this time I thought I needed a juicer. But guess what? You don't even need a juicer if you have a blender and a strainer. So with a typical juicer, you can put the fruits in there with the skin and the peel still attached. But I'm using a blender, so I tried to cut off as much as possible, leaving a little bit still on there. And all I'm using today is ginger, lemon, and orange. Now don't be like me. I got too happy and I forgot to add the water. But it's okay because I went back and added the water. So I got this pitcher. I put the strainer over and I just got that from Meijer. It was $6. And I began to strain the blended mixture. So doing it this way, you do have to take like a spatula or a spoon to kind of like push the mixture into the strainer to kind of like squeeze it essentially. But you definitely want to add a little bit more water so it's a looser consistency. I went and got these Jello shot cups from Dollar Tree and this is how I made my ginger shots.
Ginger, lemon, with pineapple.
Boy, you heard me saying that.
Y'all, kids always repeating something that they hear and saying it like they thought to say that. This boy is hilarious. And last but not least, we had a Galentine's. And if you ever thought about having a Galentine's, this is definitely your sign to have one. If you didn't see my full breakdown of the Galentines, go ahead and check that video out on my channel. But I'm just going to hop right into what was in those big ASS crock bags. And I feel like everybody is into the ASMR, so I'm going to just let y'all listen and look. Now let me know in the comments what would y'all do with all of this stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button for me and hit the subscribe button if you like content like this.